What is up, guys? Brittech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your camera resolution size for your videos on iPhone 12 or any iPhone using iOS 14. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. What you want to do is go ahead and go to your settings and open it up, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to camera. Okay, so open up camera, and then we're going to go to record video. And as you can see, I have mine set to 4K at 60 FPS, but of course you can just go through the settings and change it to whatever you want to. So 1080p, of course, will be the default. And then if you want higher quality, higher definition, of course, you're going to go for the 4K. And then, of course, 720p would be the lesser of the three. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Listen.